So today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you about the 5 body areas that you're not grooming, the ones that you're forgetting to take care of. Up first is actually your eyebrows, bro. Yo, I'm gonna tell you a funny story back in the day, okay, when I was in high school. When I was in high school once, this guy made a comment about my eyebrows, okay, and asked me if they were still together. Okay, he's like, are they still together? And I'm like, who's still together? He goes, your eyebrows, because you have a unibrow. And bro, ever since that day, you know, like it was actually really funny, but ever since that day, I actually just started plucking my middle of my eyebrow or waxing the middle of my eyebrow just because I didn't want to actually have that look, right? I always think your face just looks a lot cleaner, bro, if you don't have hair between your eyes. And if you want to take it one step further, you can actually get the top and the bottom nice and shaped too, like, right? It's going to give a lot of structure to your face when you start actually upkeeping the top and the bottom and the middle of your eyebrow. I promise you, bro, if you start getting into a habit of actually just removing the hair between your eyes, it's going to be game changer for your face. It's going to really enhance your overall aesthetic of your face. Maintain the wax in your ears, okay? Guys, it's absolutely disgusting, okay? Let me tell you, let me say that again for you. It's absolutely disgusting if you have that smelly wax sitting in your ear all day. You think a girl's gonna go out with you or sit close to you? Bro, if you have wax smelling out of your ear, think about that for a second, okay? That's gross, bro. If you have that yellow stuff around your ear, this is where you gotta go in the shower, okay? You're already in the shower, bro. I'm not telling you to stick the water in your ear to cause, you know, ear infection, okay? But as you're in the shower, when you're shampooing your hair, just clean around the outside of your ear, because you know what, guys? Honestly, the Q-tips is very controversial now. I don't think people are really using these Q-tips anymore. I think they're actually bad for your ears, right? Like a lot of people are saying that if you start pushing the Q-tip inside of your ear, you're actually just pushing the wax deeper. So if you are going to use the Q-tip, okay, if you want to use the Q-tip, just clean the outside of your ear, okay, just to remove the wax buildup. Bro, I used to have a huge problem when I was younger, man. Like I used to just have this wax building up in my ear, and I actually just started upkeeping it, and now I don't have it anymore because I was just got into a routine of doing it. Bro, your hands, you need to be upkeeping your fingernails, okay? Do you know how disgusting it is if you go out for a job interview and you're sitting there and you're looking at the resume on your computer and you're typing, and then the guy looks over, the girl looks over, and you have like dirt between your nails? Guys, I'm telling you, you think people don't notice this stuff, okay? You think people are not paying attention to little things about you, especially people that are just about to hire you and have you represent them and work for them. Guys, they're gonna be paying attention to you more than anybody. You wanna get in the habit of taking care of your nails, trimming them, whether that's you doing it by yourself or you going for a mani and pedi. And bro, yes, there's nothing wrong with going for a mani and pedi. I actually go for a mani and pedi, I would say like every month to 3 months, depending on how my feet and hand looks. Because bro, let me tell you honestly, you know why you guys are gonna talk a lot of shit right now, but like, bro, there's nobody out there that'll actually clean your nails like the salon, okay? Like nobody else will do it like that. And I guarantee you, girls will start complimenting your nails, okay? I guarantee you. Watch. Remember this video, they're gonna start complimenting. Next up, guys, is your armpits, okay? Now, look, all right, this is very controversial though, okay? I'm gonna piss off a lot of people right now, piss off a lot of you dudes. But guys, I'm not saying to completely shave your armpits, okay? But I personally actually do that sometimes. I just actually feel it helps with the overall body odor, okay? Think about it, if the more hair you have there, it's gonna start really smelling. So you wanna actually just upkeep that and just trim the armpit hair just a little bit, guys. Just bring down the hair a little bit. Think about if you're at the beach one day, you know what, besides body odor, okay? Besides it like smelling really bad, think about when you go to the beach and you put your hands up. Guys, if you have this huge bush underneath your armpit, it just doesn't look good, right? It doesn't look aesthetically pleasing. So let's get ahead, all right, bro? Let's get ahead. Let's just start trimming up your armpit hair just a little bit, okay? Start bringing that hair down just a little bit. So next up on the list, okay, this is the last one, okay? I feel like this is actually really overlooked. That can actually be pretty gross if you don't clean this area up, is actually your neck hair, okay? I know for myself, guys, I actually grow a little bit of hair on my upper back and neck area, and I actually, when I go to the barber, I just get them to trim it, right? Just a little bit, like take the hair off, get my line up at the back of my head so that it looks nice and clean. Guys, think about if you're wearing a tank top or a t-shirt, okay, and you have these like little hairs poking out from the back of your shirt, it doesn't look good, right? You want to like make sure you're just upkeeping that hair as well, right? I know it's hard and difficult for you guys to do by yourself, right? But get your girlfriend or someone, your mom, to help you just clean those hairs up on your neck. It's just gonna make you feel a lot cleaner when you go out, right? Especially in the spring and summer when you start putting on tank tops and t-shirts, you don't want those little hairs creeping up behind your shirt. So there you have it, everyone. There are some body areas that you're forgetting to groom. Now, if I did inspire you on this video to become the best version of yourself, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love for you to be a part of my community. Until then, I'll see you all in the next video.